getting the exclusive right now. Guys, we're gonna take a tour of the Royal Suite today. Are you ready? Thank you to all of my cabin stewards on the Serenade of the Seas for giving me this access. Nobody is on the ship yet, so before we get into it, you know how we do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Thank you so much. Notifications. Let's take this sneak peek at the Royal Suite. Okay guys, so this is going to be another voiceover. I'm so excited. I wanted to take this in with you guys. So look at the view when you first walk in. The pillars, the detailing on the floor. But guys, when I looked and saw that grand piano, I was like, I would never leave this room. I mean, the space of it all. It feels like a luxury condominium. But the piano, you guys don't understand how much I love to play. I grew up with the piano in my house, so to just see this going on is just amazing. Shout out to the cabin steward. He was cleaning up. I was trying to stay out of his way. But guys, look at the dining area. The big sofa that also pulls out, the TV, and then you've got your own bar, guys, with the sink and everything. Like, you can host people, have guests come over, throw a party in your royal suite. At least that's what I would do. I would love to have this for my birthday or something. Like, look at the space of it all. If I could still do cartwheels, I would do cartwheels in here. Your TV, look at the floor to ceiling windows surrounding the entire living room area. The throw pillows on the couch, the coffee table, the artwork. It's just beautiful. I'm choosing royal. Oh, they treat me like a queen. Okay, let's balconize, y'all. Do you see the size of this balcony? Look at it. You've got a table. You can have your dinner. You can sit out or you can lay out. And in case there weren't enough chairs, there's another chair and another table. Like, look at your view of the Canada Place cruise terminal and wait until they get to those glaciers and they have that view out there. I mean, this is how you balconize. I mean, a girl's got a dream. Do you see the size of this balcony? And look, I haven't been in the bedroom yet because they're still vacuuming in there. This is your bedroom, and it'll take you right out here to your balcony. So a girl's got a dream. Come on, y'all. I'm choosing royal. Come on, royal. Let your girl stay here and show these people what it is. So we're back inside, and I'm trying to stay out of his way because he is cleaning the room, getting it ready for the next guest. But I mean, don't you guys want to stay here? Let's go in the bedroom. I mean, I've been in the Bellagio penthouse suite, and this is like on the same level, if not better. Look at the chair, the TV, the floor to ceiling windows, the bed that also splits apart, the big old mirror you have. Like, come on, guys. You know, hey, y'all. Gotta stop in front of the mirror. This door didn't open, so I don't know what that does. I think it leads to the bathroom. But speaking of bathrooms, let's go in the bathroom. Oh my goodness, his and her sinks. But look at the sinks, y'all. I mean, it was taking me out. The jacuzzi, the size of the tub. We got a tub. The jacuzzi of it all. And then you got the shower. Look at the size of the shower with the sit down. I love sitting down in the shower. 3 shower heads. Like, this is luxury at its finest. Listen here. Me and Max, we moving in. Royal Caribbean, I'm going to put it on the table right now. If you give me this room, every ship I'm on, or bigger, look, I will leave Las Vegas, I will leave my place, and me and Max will come here and live on this ship forever. And then, y'all, you get a separate room for when you got to take a number 2. Look how big it is in here. Where's the light? I don't know how to turn the light on. But anyway, you get a bidet, toilet. Hold on. I mean, the bidet of it all, the separate door for the toilet and the bidet, so that if you're doing your makeup, and somebody else is handling their business, you can close that door. I mean, this bathroom is everything. Come on, Royal Suite. And then here's the view coming out of the bathroom back into the bedroom, just so you can see how much space. The double door entrance to the bedroom. You've got, this is for the men over here. Men, you take that dresser. And then you've got this walk-through closet. Walk-through closet. The space, I'm telling you, this is bigger than my closet at home in Vegas. Me and Max are moving in. We're moving in. Seriously, wouldn't y'all want to see that TV show? I'm just saying, I'm speaking things as though they are. Hallelujah, won't he do it? And then ladies, you've got another little vanity over here, you know what I'm saying, to set your little makeup up or whatever you need to do. Like, look at the size of this closet. Come on, y'all. Do you see the closet of it all? Not walk in, walk through closet, okay? Oh my goodness, the Royal Suite. And I didn't sing my song because I had to change the song. So now the song is, we got a tub and a jacuzzi. And y'all, we got a shower with a triple shower head. I mean, I'm moving in. I don't know who was supposed to stay here, but I'm moving in. I mean, look at the artwork on the doors. Like, this is so elegant, not to mention all of the amenities that probably come, with getting this room. I mean, this is my favorite part. This right here, this piano. I'm not gonna touch anything because they're cleaning it up really, really nice, but having a piano, a Yamaha piano too, in the room, there's no need to leave. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Royal Caribbean, for letting me tour this incredible Royal Suite. I mean, look at the light fixtures. Come on. Oh, this is your guest bathroom? Shut up. You got a guest bathroom? You got a guest bathroom. Okay, hold on. I mean, I couldn't believe I walked right past this when I first came in. A full guest bathroom with the shower and everything. So if you have guests over, like, nobody has to come all in your room. I'm telling y'all, I could live here. I could live right here, me and Max. This is beautiful. I am so thankful to be able to see this room and share it with all of you. Guys, I enjoyed this. I hope you all did. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Royal Suite on board the wonderful Serenade of the Seas. Thank you guys for letting me take a sneak peek, Royal. And come on, y'all, comment below if you want your girl to stay in here. Comment below. You got to believe. You got to believe. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Notifications. I'll see you in the next video. The lady thanks you for watching.